How many of the following are factors of 2025? 15, 25, 45, 75 and 225 are the numbers that we need to check. If you do the maths challenges regularly, you know they often put the current year into the maths challenges, so no surprise to see this in the Junior Maths Challenge in 2025. When you're asked about factors like this, thinking about the whole prime factorisation is useful, and if I was going into this in 2025, I would have prepared and I would have known that 2025 is 45 squared, so I can get the prime factorisation also very quickly if I want to. In fact, I'd even have prepared the full prime factorisation, I think. It's also 5 times 9 squared then, which is 5 times 3 times 3 squared, which is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5, which would usually write as a prime factorisation as 3 to the 4 times 5 squared. The reason I've written that out here is because it makes it super easy now to see which of the numbers are factors, because we just need to know if their factorisations are also within the factorisation for 2025. So 15 is 3 times 5, yes, and there's a 3 and a 5 in that factorisation. 25 is 5 times 5. We can again see that 5 times 5 is a factor very quickly. 45, well, it's 45 squared, we know that one's a factor anyway. And 75, 3 times 25, so 3 times 5 times 5, that's also a factor. And 225 is 9 times 25, or 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. And so we can see that all of those are contained in the prime factorisation of 2025, so they're all factors, and the answer here is that E, all 5 numbers are factors.